Welcome back to Franklin Friday. I'm Brandon Sanchez, Marketing Director here at FranklinWH, and I'm back again to tell you that this month's photo and video contest is now live. On the last Franklin Friday, I mentioned that we were gearing up for RE+. Well, I'm here to report that the show was a resounding success and that I'm still hearing positive comments come my way. I thought I'd invite our HR coordinator, Sarah Galdes, onto the show. Welcome, Sarah.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
I see you have the bag.
Yes, I have the hot commodity everyone's wanting.
The lovely bag. We'll talk about that one later. So, you were telling me that this was your first trade show.
It's my first of many, but my first, yes.
And first impression?
10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10 energy-wise, maybe, by the end, but it was amazing. I loved every bit of it.
So, what would you say one of your highlights of the show was?
Aside from the bag and the swag, I would say I just loved being... Yeah.
I'm sorry, we gotta hang this up.
We gotta hang it. You'll see these in grocery stores across the country and the world.
There we go.
For me, one of my highlights, I think, was just seeing our product and our people in action, seeing our company do what we do, and seeing others get excited about what we do. I think the energy in there was contagious. People were excited. People were wanting to hear what we had to say and what we have to offer, and it was just a very upbeat, positive atmosphere in that room for sure.
That's amazing. When you go to a show, you're actually able to see the impact you're making. And so we've got a wonderful product.
We do.
And we got to see it in the wild.
Yeah, in the wild, in the real world.
So this year we went with more of an intergalactic space theme, as you can see on the bag. What did you think of the booth?
I thought our booth was out of this world. No, I really enjoyed the booth. I think it was engaging. I liked seeing our products on the walls in action. For those of you who were there, we had our light on our battery moving with the music, so I thought that was kind of a fun touch to it. We had the essentials, we had snacks, we had coffee, we had tea, so it was really a place to come in, settle in, and get to know Franklin.
And speeches too. We had a lot of speeches on stage.
Yeah, we did. A lot of great speeches, very interactive, a lot of engagement, so it was great.
So if you missed us at the show, I'll give you the highlight reel. We unveiled our next generation whole home energy management solution, including the A-Power 2. We also announced enhancements to our A-Gate, which is our intelligent management device that supports home loads by integrating energy sources, including our Franklin batteries, and it has an intuitive, user-friendly app. So that was just a quick snapshot of some of our announcements. If you're not subscribed to any of our channels, please do so, because this is where you're going to be hearing about them first. Overall, RE+ was fun, but it was exhausting. So I just want to thank everyone. If you came out to the show, met our team, thank you for taking the time to do so. I've gone through all of the submissions for this month, and I want to say thank you for everyone who took the time to participate. There were once again a lot of beautiful installations out there, which means there's a lot more happy Franklin customers in the wild. So we thank you again for supporting our brand, and I welcome you all to the Franklin family. Now it's time to select this month's winners. Congratulations, Energy Renovation Center. You are this month's winner. This month's special award is going to David Lee from Circle L Solar. Congratulations, our team will be reaching out to you. Thanks again for tuning in to this month's Franklin Friday, and I hope to see you next month.